Good afternoon. For the past 5 weeks I've been involved in a class at our college for seniors in how to make pop-ups. And this is sort of a culmination of all the various techniques that I learned, and I created this pop-up book that's actually a carousel pop-up, because when you open the book and put the covers together you get 4 vignettes, and I'm going to try and show you the elements in each of the vignettes that I used. Lighting is a little difficult with something like this, but this little pop-up has a creature here. It has part of the opening from the Maleficent film paraphrased about the fact that there's a land called the Moors with supernatural creatures. Of course there's Maleficent, and when you open the window you can see the baby in there. And it has a pull tab that allows the raven to fly up towards the window. In this vignette, it has to do with the creatures that would be found around the water, and this is one of the little creatures from Maleficent. And then I have some little water sprites here, and then this fairy riding a swan. These are all basically V-folds and flats here of the various fairies that are in the woodlands area. And all of this is created in Photoshop using various techniques and layering, so that you can put like all of these little lights into the forest and that kind of thing. And then this one is a vignette of what would have been like in the meadows. Cicely Mary Barker had all of these cute little children here, and I had the series of postcards of her collection, and so I have cut out some of those and then added them to a scene of a field of flowers. And then this is a little spin and pop out, pivoting pop up with a little baby fairy here. And it was just added, this was the last thing we learned, and it was just added in as a secondary thing once I knew how to do it. So that's my little carousel pop-up. That's what's been occupying my time lately, and I hope that everyone has been having a great year and exploring all sorts of different creative things in your world. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.